lunch was definitely...
Wow. I'm finally doing it. Right here, I'm gonna make it more round than that because I hate how squared off that looks, and I hope this actually reaches my knees because I don't know, but we're gonna see what we have.
At Papa John's at some point.
You need the Domino's challenge.
This is
that sounds like
so
a YouTube video waiting to
large.
happen, like a funny YouTube challenge video. Yeah, someone do it for me, and then I'll just go with their.
Why is this so
Tyler, do you have any
large?
movies or anything you'd like to recommend people?
This is the pocket?
So many movies. Just one?
Just one title.
Okay, well,
we don't have all day.
I dare your audience to watch Terms of Endearment by James L. Brooks.
Okay.
It's on
Spanglish.
Well, this is very large, and it goes down to about here on me, so that's a good thing, because I wanted it to be more round anyways, so I think I'm just gonna kind of round it out. Oh, Mango, please don't do it, Mango, Mango. Even a little bit of a work log. So the pattern is too confusing for me, and I'll just follow it if I want to make an actual poncho. But what I'm gonna do is make a circle skirt and drape it over my body, and then maybe use that hood pattern because I'm gonna have to fit the horns and everything under the hood, so it'll need to be big, but maybe I won't, but yeah. So this is what we're looking at now. It's just a circle skirt. However, this is what we're looking at for leftovers. And as you can see, I can't make a hood out of this. Oh, maybe I could. But, so the hood, I have enough for it. Barely. I'm using the hood on this jacket that I was wearing. I'm gonna try and sew this. I don't know how the hell that's gonna fit around my neck line, but I'm just gonna try and sew along this, see what happens. So I've cut the circle skirt out of the velvet, and I'm putting them wrong sides together because the velvet is the lining of this. So hopefully I'm doing this correctly. And does that also make this reversible? I don't know, but I don't really need it to be. So it's not a big deal either way for me. But when cutting the circle skirt, I wasn't sure of the exact measurements, and I think these are different widths anyways. So I just put on the hood at the bottom corner so that I would have enough for the hood at least. And they turned out pretty even, I think. So I'm just gonna sew this though. So, if your sewing machine has this kind of disattachment, wrap it around here when you're sewing circles like sleeves or whatever. In this case, the lining to the cloak. So I tried it on and found like where I like the positioning of it. Like circle skirts are like shorter in some parts depending on how bad you cut it. Down the middle of where it looked the best for me personally. And now I'm just kind of lining it up. I pinned at the top, and now I'm just kind of lining up the edges because the knit is stretchy, or they're both knits. The velvet is stretchy, so I'm just gonna kind of stretch it to the end, and then hopefully it lays correctly there. So I'm gonna have to sew all the way around the bottom edge as well. I'm gonna have to cut in some buttonholes, which I still don't really know how to do. Yep. Hello, it's several hours later. I was avidly working on this when I realized I have to pick up my dad at the airport. Now, luckily, the time that it was actually perfect. We ended up arriving at the airport around the same exact time. We just had to wait for baggage, and it was really good. So, yeah, this project seems like a good omen to me. Right here is the only way you can hold Mango without getting several wounds. The criminal. Cut out this shape into some velvet. There's a better way to do the hood. It's called sew the lining together before sewing the hoods. but I'm gonna kind of do this. Just kind of